Hi, welcome back my friends. I'm sure you are here today to remove your fear and phobias, which is a mental block for you to achieve success. Now, in this 14-day workshop, which is going to start very soon, you can see the link below about the dates. Here, this workshop, you are going to learn very powerful NLP hypnosis techniques, plus as a bonus, you learn an EFT technique called emotional freedom therapy technique. It's a tapping technique, very powerful. I am using hypnosis and NLP for almost, hypnosis I am using for almost since 1977, you can guess that date, and hypnosis NLP I am using since 94, and these are the techniques which I have developed and helped a lot of people to come out of their fear and phobias. In fact, to tell you the truth, I have used one technique when I was taking a flight from Hyderabad to Manchester. There was a lady sitting next to me, she had a fear of flying. I removed her fear of flying in the flight itself. The techniques are so powerful. I had a fear of flying, I removed it completely. In fact, when I was young, I had a fear of public speaking. I removed my fear of public speaking, and I can give a speech in front of a lakhs of people also, which I have done number of times when I was into multi-level marketing company. Now my friend, fear and phobias are really very dangerous. Why? Because some fears and phobias are reasonable. Say fear of snakes, fear of dogs, fear of something is a real danger. If you catch a snake, what will happen? It will bite you and die. Fear of water, if you don't know swimming, if you remove the fear of water, if you don't know swimming, you jump on the wrong side of the pool, you will die. But if you have a fear of water, you want to enjoy learning swimming and do it, you need to remove your fear completely. Fears are dangerous because sometimes it is mental blocks also. Why it is a mental blocks? Listen carefully, my friend. You are working somewhere, you need to give a presentation, and all your money earning and everything depends on that presentation, and you have a fear of giving a presentation. When you look at the people sitting there, you are not able to speak. These are the public speaking, talking to opposite sex, fear of flying, fear of driving, fear of rejection, fear of some pets like dog. Now, pet dogs are not dangerous, but still a lot of people have a fear of pet dogs. So this lot of different kind of fear of height, fear of water, different kind of fears are dangerous. You know why? Because they are a block in your success. You are not able to achieve many things because of your fears. Because of your fears, you are not able to give presentation, you are not able to talk to the people, you are not able to go somewhere because of your fears and phobias. So these are dangerous fears. So my friend, I will develop a very powerful course, 14-day WhatsApp workshop, where I will be teaching you approximately seven neuro-linguistic programming powerful technique. Each technique takes 2 to 3 minutes only. Then you will learn 2 self-hypnosis very powerful techniques, visualization technique, plus you will learn 1 EFT technique, and will give you a number of affirmations to remove fear and phobias. Those who want to learn these affirmations and practice affirmations, very powerful. Sometimes your fear and phobias can be removed just by practicing the creative visualization and affirmation only. So it's a complete compact course, to the point course, step-by-step techniques. Now, we are giving you so many techniques. You don't need to use all of the techniques after you have gone through the course. You can pick up 1 or 2 which is really useful for you. So my friend, this is a course for you, and normally when I do one-on-one sessions, I charge 40,000 rupees to do one-on-one session with the people. In 3 sessions, I remove the fear and phobia. Now, you don't need to pay 40,000 because of WhatsApp course, and I have created it very simple because I want each and every person to remove their fear and phobias and live happily. They live confidently, live calm and peaceful, and do whatever they want easily, naturally, effortlessly. We created a 14-day course, which is not 40,000 rupees, though in my 3-day sessions, one-to-one, I don't teach them all of this. I use them whatever they need it. But here you will have more than 10, 12 techniques there. Plus, it is not 40,000. You don't even pay 20,000. You don't even pay 10,000, not even 5,000. This workshop is not even 3,000. This is a WhatsApp workshop. You're getting lessons. So this workshop fee is only 1,000 rupees plus GST. That's come to 1180. 180 is for the government, 1,000 is for me. So my friend, this is a very powerful workshop. At the end of this course, you will get, every day you're getting a lessons. First day you'll get at 9 p.m. in the evening, and after that every day you'll get a lessons between around 6 o'clock. And plus at the end of the course, we'll give you a Google Drive link so you can download the complete course and practice at your ease. You don't need to come to Hyderabad and pay 40,000 rupees. You just watch this course, listen to this course, attend this course and practice simple techniques. Not one, if you 2 times, 3 times. It's so powerful, my friend. I help a lot of people using this technique and I will help you also. So if you really want to remove your fear and phobia, this is a course for you. Click on the link below. Now if you want to use your credit card, there is a Raise Pay button also there. So click on the Raise Pay button and you can do a registration using your credit card, debit card, or even your Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay at the Raise Pay. And the workshop will start very soon. So go through the page and see you personally on the day of the workshop at 9 p.m. Thank you very much and all the best.